Do you want to breathe better? Are you interested in improving your respiratory health? Today, we're delving into an intriguing topic: oxygen-rich foods. These foods are not only delicious, but they can also give your lungs a healthy boost. We'll be exploring 7 such superfoods, each with its unique respiratory benefits. But we won't spill the beans just yet. We'll leave some mystery for the main course. So, are you ready for the reveal? Stay tuned as we count down the 7 top oxygen-rich foods that can help you breathe better. Starting at number 7, we have broccoli. This humble green veggie is a powerhouse of nutrients, especially when it comes to lung health. Broccoli is loaded with antioxidants, compounds that help protect your body from damage. These antioxidants are particularly effective in protecting your lungs, making broccoli a fantastic choice for those looking to breathe easier. Let's move on to number 6, oranges. Oranges are not just a sweet, juicy snack, they're also packed with vitamin C. This essential vitamin plays a crucial role in supporting lung health. It aids in reducing inflammation in the respiratory tract and helps improve lung function. The high content of vitamin C in oranges makes them an excellent food choice for supporting your lungs. So there we have it, broccoli and oranges, 2 fantastic foods for your lungs. Both of these foods are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that can help you breathe easier and support your overall lung health. Next up, at number 5, we have peppers. Now, these vibrant veggies are more than just a splash of color in your salad. Packed with vitamin A, peppers play a key role in keeping your lungs healthy. Vitamin A aids in repairing the lung tissue and maintaining the health of the mucous membranes, a vital part of your respiratory system. Moving on, we arrive at number 4, the humble apple. Don't underestimate this everyday fruit, though. Apples are chock full of antioxidants and flavonoids, and we've all heard the saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away." Well, it turns out it might keep the pulmonologist away too. Antioxidants and flavonoids in apples have been linked to a lower risk of lung diseases and can help maintain overall lung health. Peppers and apples, 2 more delicious foods that can do wonders for your lungs. So why not add a little crunch to your next meal? Now we're down to our top 3 foods. At number 3, we have spinach. This leafy green powerhouse is a veritable cocktail of nutrients. But it's the magnesium in spinach that really gives our lungs a leg up. Magnesium acts as a bronchodilator, expanding the bronchi and allowing more air to flow into the lungs. It's like giving your lungs a little more room to breathe. Next up, in the second spot, we have garlic. This humble kitchen staple is more than just a flavor enhancer. Garlic is packed with anti-inflammatory properties that work to clear your lungs. Each clove is a tiny soldier in the fight against inflammation and mucus buildup, helping you breathe easier and feel better. And finally, drumroll, please, our top food is avocados. These creamy fruits are high in an antioxidant known as glutathione. Glutathione is a bit like a lung detoxifier, helping to purge harmful pollutants and toxins from your respiratory system. The result? Cleaner, healthier lungs and easier breathing. So there you have it, spinach, garlic, and avocados. Not only are they delicious, but they can also help you breathe better. Incorporate these foods into your diet, and your lungs will thank you. After all, it's not just about what you eat, it's about how you fuel your body, and these foods are the premium grade. So there you have it, our top 7 oxygen-rich foods. We've explored the benefits of avocados, spinach, sweet potatoes, and even humble watermelon. Let's not forget the power of bananas, broccoli, and bell peppers. Each of these foods is a mighty ally in promoting respiratory health, so why not make room for them in your meals? Remember, what you eat can have a significant impact on your respiratory health, so choose wisely and breathe better.